Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be featuring all the new Blackpink Olens contact lens that the Blackpink members are using this year, and also they are releasing like a new music video coming up soon next month, which is my birthday month, so that will be good. And I can't believe I'm going to turn 30, like mind-blowing. Like I just honestly don't want to think about it, like turning 30. It's crazy. But anywho, this video will be talking about the Blackpink members contact lens, and I have done full detailed review of all of these collections, but this review will be based on just the specific colors that each members are using. So let's get started. First one will be Blackpink Lisa, and she is using the Russian Smoky Grey. So this Russian Smoky Grey comes in 3 different colors: grey, brown and olive, but Lisa is using mainly the grey one, and honestly I love this color. But let's talk about the graphic diameter first. So the graphic diameter is actually 13.3mm, and Lisa's eyes is actually pretty gigantic, I feel, because from the past contact lens that she wore with Olens, every time she wore a contact lens, I was like, oh my god, it looks so nice on her, looks so natural, but on me it looks really big. However, with this particular Russian Smoky Grey, I would disagree, because I love this one a lot. I love it more than my Russian Velvet, and the way I see this particular collection is that this is like Russian Velvet but with a border to give you the enlargement, and I really love the smokiness of this contact lens. It looks really pretty, and this particular one, it gives you like a very icy cold vibe, but not in like a cold attitude way. It just looks very sexy, it looks very smoky on you, which I feel is very beautiful. And having that thin dark grey outline on the outer part really emphasize that iciness of that contact lens, which looks honestly really nice. It also has like a hint of hazel in the contact lens as well, but I feel like the grey has overpowered, which I actually don't mind. And I feel like with Lisa, you know, she definitely pulled it off with, you know, that, you know, like brown undertone as well. Next you have JENNIE, and she is wearing the real ring brown, which I was very surprised because she has been so loyal to the Spanish brown one, and so for her to have this one, I'm just like, whoa, this is crazy. And I don't know if some of you guys have watched my real ring collection. I'm definitely not a big fan of the real ring collection, to be honest, but I wanted to get the real ring collection because of JENNIE, because of JENNIE, I was loving the Spanish one, because that's why I got it. And so with the real ring, I was like, okay, it really suits her, it looks so nice on her, I'm gonna try. And I feel like my take of it is very different from her, because on her it looks really natural, it looks really nice, it's like the perfect diameter for her. But for me, the diameter is okay, it's definitely smaller. The way real ring has been promoted is like the smaller version of Vivid Ring, but without the border, to emphasize your natural eye color as the border. So a bit like Spanish and Scandi, but this one less, you know, less of a line in between the contact lens, and it's much more like flush looking. It's much more like one tone color, you know, so there's not many layering to it. And I feel like because of there's not many layer, I feel like my natural eye color just overpowered the contact lens too much, and it just didn't blend well, if that makes sense. So because my natural eye color is like dark brown, having this brown, which is like golden yellowy on me, really make my eye look like a cat eye, and I didn't really like that. So yeah, so I'll show you guys a close-up anyway so you guys can see. But yeah, that is how I felt with this particular real ring brown. And in terms of real ring, it actually has 2 colors, grey and brown, and the diameter is actually 12.5, which is actually smaller, but not as small as the Spanish line. Third one is by Rose, and this one is like a French Gold 3-Con Hazel. I absolutely love this collection, and this one actually comes in 3 different colors: hazel, grey and olive. Absolutely love this one. The diameter for this is actually 13.1. However, I feel like it's still like a little bit enlarging, but not too much. It is an absolutely beautiful color. It's like a brown and hazel. So imagine like a Vivid Ring border, but a softer and blurrier version. Then you combine with the Russian gold color as the inside as the color. Then imagine the pattern like the Spanish line. So you have this 3 collection all combined to create this French gold. That's how I see it, and I absolutely love the combo of it, and really gives you like a very nice puppy eye look. And if you don't want something that is too natural but you want to have like that pattern looking, natural looking kind of contact lens, this would be like the everyday contact lens for you. Last but not least is JISOO. I love JISOO a lot, and this one, she is wearing the Moodnight brown contact lens. And so with the Moodnight collection, has 2 different colors, gray and brown. So again, JISOO is wearing the brown one. The diameter for this actually 13.3. However, if I compare this with the other contact lens like the Russian Smoky, Real Ring Brown, and the French Gold 3-con, I feel like this Moodnight one actually looks bigger than the other 3 for some reason, and I think it's because of the pattern that they have created. First, let's talk about the color. It's like an ashy brown, which is beautiful. Then on the outer part, you get like that dark chocolate border, which is actually very bold and very in your face. And I feel like because having these 2 together is not really blending together, and that's how it actually makes the enlargement look bigger, if that makes sense. So I feel like with this one, again, if I have to choose between the Moodnight and the Vivi Ring, I would definitely choose the Vivi Ring because it is less in your face, it's less bigger. But again, in terms of the Moodnight brown, I really love the ashy color. If they make it smaller, I would love it so much because I do love contact lens with border as well. But yeah, this is how the Moodnight brown look on me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not really like too detailed because I've done like the full collection of all of this contact lens, which I'll put it down in the description box below if you guys want to see full review of the other colors as well as all the comparisons I've done too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know which contact lens you have tried because of the Blackpink members. I would love to know, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.